I don't want to church me mamunyina chain about the announcer newspaper so me din the Daddy Fred. Every say ko in some ekoso o my Ghana muna me di ebremo titio entertainment corner in some efa entertainment in some hon kwana me di ebremo do say wo hwe me a wo ho kwan se dwumadi no wo share video no ananse wo kire wadwene eso efa hom de obese o kafa hom bia no wo ho kwan se wo so o kire wadwene na o ka efa hom ene nsem bebre wo ho a me di ebremo ensem ahodo bebre samoka prophet kum chacha wo de nsem bi tudwa na nsem bi etwa mu se wo de patapa wanko na enwom no wo de ko asemdibia court se nti ya me nsa ka kire se say the wadwane afre ho was o amanfo atunufo a say nkabeya saa nwom no asem na wo kan won twen ensan enenti was wonyamfa wanko na son enko court no na de wom ni say saa son no de wonyamfa enko court no na what the spiritual injunction atoso ho nsem no ye de bebrem na asem bi osaka twa ato okra ni say was ma bi a hyase e pictures ahodro ma wo mun hwehwe sebe oba no aba na ha mu no atwa pictures no oba no wagi ne ho nyina no the pictures abre no nto say e ma bebre pese wo mo erepu no mo the pictures ahodro abre no e ho nsem no so ye de bebre mo ye be hwehwe asem no set to say ye de nyina e bebre mo sa so na virgin pastor someone virgin pastor the same atudwa ni somebody atudwa gina ni say was it patapa ni nwom wan kona song na ye spread field to say sunsun bi e wonwom no e ho sem so ye the petremo the entire workers sunsun bi wonwom no media we don't know, we will find out na ye nhwe Lydia forcing so the same bi atudwa ni somebody atudwa gina ni say was in movie industries, as I say, Arahusama, a woman, they say Ghana movie in some producers, say, open say, we are ba now we movie, Oka, what Mrs. Sebi, or no for home, if factory, and Sana, were more among Ruby a play, a big credit because I just was so and I want to order, and Sana, were my Ruby a play. Now I say, Ghana movie industry, and maybe brave or more talent, or more person movie industry, or mukum, no more talent, babon, so producers, maybe the person money or more and into man, now more I walk out, and once some year the bebremo. Sasuna, Ebenezer Dakwa Yadom, what in Zambia to Jat now, what tree, when somebody to Jan say, was a mano, Sabi. As they say, man, what my Ghana muno, Sabompe Mema, one more man who do not so now or more 80 million match and I won't serve this other from them. Yet the better me did Daddy Fred Mamina Aquaba, everybody announcer newspaper. So some more take me the horse in a bebrem. I don't for the moment. We are sit here. We are sit. Ma yes, and yes, never will know, and you will know. Now, Uti, we are here. The beer and yan may be a butter baby. Now, sorry, I would walk with them. Say, be ya, bet you would. Ma yes, and yes, never will know, and you will know. Ma no quarry and Ned. Never would trust so and Ned. Now, Prophet Kum Chacha. But upon you me buy one corner buy. A month for bebre, cassa, a month for bebre, cassa for one corner. No, I be braceo, and you dear, and yan pa, a business you need to say, business you need to say. Mokaya, Prophet Kum Chacha, me no me born it, cassa be my motim, be a trem. Now the cousin in your money, woman in your hand say, Prophet Kum Chacha didn't send me to chat, say one corner and yomono, and yuma, a bonny pa, yan pa. Na amamfo e de nwom no sa titru ma na o maware no na o masobre o musisim na wo mo de o moto no kirekire amamfo na amamfo tata wo moto na wo mo ye nema bi a entene asema prophet Kum Chacha wo de etu dwa no wo sa de nsem bi tu dwa se wa kọ na nwom yi se enya hye ase pe wo be hu se amamfo bu o musisim sa o musisim na o mu bua do mu bom ti enya nwompa wakansema hudo bebre afa nwom no na wo she Ghana for bosse wo court na wo de asem na kodane court se court nka be ya wan ko na nwom no nka court won twam Ghana for squab na me ya asem nsa be kan me nsa nkan antimi wie ya be fro na ya dwetwe nkobo squab na won na ye witness radio boss ma ya be na say will be say I can't think for Bentias, yes, where two can you say, well, Quashay you, send a Yera Campuno, mean to me, who squabble, and I say, why squabble? As got me a program, the veteran, come on now, Yahudi Echo. Now, anything, what joining me live, Kingsley, also Brobe from UK, Tom, what joining me. No, and a year Busa said, and summer kum chacha, or can na said you see catcher or my Ghana for say. And then we are seeing Nambo who say, what they patapa, what they could ask him to be. Now, say, what Johnny free home, kum chacha, what shall who know, Mirikabia word to Lunyasam Ketua. Mirika what two, what Johnny, kum chacha, Johnny, what Johnny free as some now or kind and hono. I don't to me ya, Emeka. Says on my dear kum chacha walker, Prophet kum chacha was say. But upon you run your fanko court to be. Now the engine won't fanko court to Nina, say. A man phobi etunofo. Me bacho munti asem ni you. A man phobi etunofo. Pa say. Enkebeya. Wo asem no kura wonchum. Number 1 no. Was a man phobi etunofo. Pa. Sa asem no kebeya. Wo onchi no hon emfiri hon. Number 1 no. Number 2. Prophet kum chacha sa say. Emma be Emma, you are Emma. Emma be the pictures. A woman shashi. Yakas woman shashi, as someone said, this here naked pictures. A woman shashi, a woman say. A man the pictures, not a brethren. I mean, I saint Rapti, and to say, long time no see ya, never to say video. Rapti, I don't know, share radio brana see you. Bibi, I consider Rapti. You go share Shalom FM. Me Rapti. Come see. Rastafari, Rust. I. What the reggae ni siswa you run away. Rapti, what joining my life. Rapti had to say, and never go say, a cheshire busia for you, a cheshire for the Ghana for Sinina. Now, young shame. Young maybe I say, friends say, come church, Johnny Akosha. Mokaya, Enra. Made it to just a cum jackson. One will promise a 1 man. I will share Ghana for bon, a chum 1 week in a chum, Ghana for chum. So we are said, what can't summer for see a yo. Now, wouldn't me my cancer we? Equated baby say, I know, they say, dear, what you say, when for the court, and you ever see a good dear woman. Now, didn't you know, they say, what about bunting? Now, then somebody say, what about bunting, walking, you know, and they say. Prophet kum church and some as they say walking in and say was say I don't remember you when yam fa patapa and kujina asimdibia when yam fa patapa and kokoto na butayentia on yam fa patapa and kokoto nyina and say number 1 a man for bi a woni mo ho MPC ne mpanifo akese afre no na from frɛ ni nyina no omapada kyɛw sɛ asem no wonyai emanenka wonyai asem no emanenka enti say de kum chacha o say asem no ojai amanaka enti onyamfa patapa enkokoto na de wom nyina ne say or the spiritual injection to asem no so to enwom no so wanko na enwom no so enti sunsumu no or the injection ato so a just sunsumu no de enwom no enko ba bia tigana for mo da montama so muntie na wotwe besi mu na wotwe bosumi aye kode wanko na anwom no enya de se obi akura ebeti biem asama kum chacha ka no na wose mpaye pa wakoto CD ni bi wani obi edi CD ni bi abre no na mpaye ne ne ma waye agu CDs no so no enya asem ketwa enti enwom ne de enko ba bia na asema sese wode ato etwa eno no enti abahwem se asem no setesen ye de nyina so ebebrem anavonum show we are sidie wontimi entake a spell ya kan sa no maka no menje wontimi nya bibia en spell yes sir so wonim se wontimi enya ade a susudwa wanum na numdwa nya o edumdwa enye wonim se wontimi nya ade a enya wanum na prophet kum chacha and some of the catcher or my Ghana no, and some of the nurses so pie. Not Ghana for your name Zampa or Casa or the 1 corner echo quarto, 1 minute to Kurama or the quarto. Now, was it said there was a the lawyers in Yana who more your Munina Casa? One will be a Kasai, Nanso. Or Sheshimana, what you say, if I so be any so say, what the Bakako Jirakoto. And what the spiritual injunction at so. Nesu with dear. One corner, Yomono, or Yankupon, or Yakomo Yankupon, and Yakupo, at the Chara, the Atoso say. One corner, no more money, Cobebia. No, say ye bonne papa. And you and Yoma say a man for 8 years, Yomona. Was what him say ye bonne papa, and Susumuno. A yadia brunsam pencil, brunsam, and a baby as say. Hey, Ghana. And it's it. That's about war canon. Now, Virgin Pastor so about bunting. I didn't send me to Jack. Me back kum chacha dia me de linki we na me wia ma analyze ni nyina ma mo say the city. Na Virgin Pastor asema say war can say. What was to say? Wa ko na nyom no. A spiritually filled song. Na enyom ni ye nyom a abrunsamfo nyina ade omo ni padua wurewura mu bi. E de omo honhom awurewura mu. Na sa wo ho na nyom na ebo a. Se wutie se de nyom ni city a na je se honhom no eniema eye adwuma pa. Asema wode ato edwano no. Wo se na je se sunsum no eniema eye adwuma pa. Na wo se sunsum ahodo bebre akotenetena so a wo mo kutia enyom no. Wo se honhom no amanfo bebre akotenetena wanko na no so a wo mo akutia enyom no. Na me beba ye be ko Virgin Pastor na sem na wode atodwa no so no na yabo na motie ensema Virgin Pastor wode atodwa na ye wia de aka nyina so na ye de eno so abrem na mahu nsem no de eko na wo se enyom no eye nyom bone na se wo hwe enkora e wo Bible mu se ebinom ne nnua ene abo ebeda na de Bible ka ye no sa pepepe ena abai ebinom ne nnua ene abo ena eda eni to susu se sa wanko na nyom ne nyom a amanfo de ade mo ene nnua eda asema Virgin Pastor ekan wo se wo be hu na obi akotare blackboard na wo bu ne sisim wo bu ne pa wo se anya paketu a wo bu ne sisim amu eden wakotare blackboard na wo bu ne sisim na obi a wo yesa ade ne nyina no eye bone na wo se brunsampa nua na aba asase so ena wo hye niema pese wode wo how the confusion e de amane hunu to Ghana for so ene ti obi a wo tie mi bia no wo se Virgin Pastor na ekam wo se enwom no eye honhom eye sunsum enwom na nya nwom pakura se wo se ni pakura etie na wo se sunsum no na minim se say but aye ben pa na asofo no wo ma sorry e wo wanko na nwom no ho number 1 am say amanfo ebu omusisi mu dodo wo the way people they shake their waist too much was it bidom wo monwan wo musisi na ma se usisi no wan hwe ne ye awarefo kora no se de bidom se wan wo musisi no enyansam ketwa eniti eyade a ha adwen na wo church ensem bebre mu se Ghana for mpanyfo anfom na yensi fom na wo mo anhwe niema yi a wanko na nwom no ebe se Ghana ma if you say wotimi hu se wo man no se ya no asema Virgin Pastor so akana no wo se osusu hu se wo no aka se wotimi so man no se ya no enam sa brunsam wanko na nwom na aba no wo se ye brunsam pa wi ase no menim se we are say wo bre na wo de ade ba na yiwo se wo amere so na yiwo patapa bre we are see e kom de ade woni na busuafo ne maame etonsa ne papa ye carpenter na bra woni ne maame abre ne maame nsesika e na patapa so ya woji e na wonya producer kra wo wode bo no ho ban a wode kɔ boa se be ya wanko na nwom no ebeba so now was over new 70 on the ground himself one corner no betimi ayenyum. Mary Frick was hi daddy, how are you? I'm doing good. Rapti was coded. I bet my share video now unyanum so enya bi ahwe. Obeti ma tro message bi de obese ode baby abetim liaba. Now we about pa bra bere wo wiase ya. Na ne nyuma ba abonten na manfo asori. One must sorry to say, dear be a woman. A man for sorry, say, I can't take far, mean to me who dear menia. Now, say, the dear man is a corner. Aya sembia din page. Now they say prophet what's about to say virgin pastor virgin pastor. Adie bia na prophet for mo de omo ho abagim. Kum chacha ka say what the one corner air kokoto. Ganda wiase nyina ache. Say de kum chacha wadwane. Wadwane ne say de osi an wonya for one corner kokoto biem. Adnumja wodja ye eni nsema wo kan ye eni nsema se de kum chacha sikasa ye Ghana man se mo kai kum chacha enumja pa wodja ye se wode wo man wan ode Ghana nwom wan kona ede patapa nwom wan kona iko gina koto se wodwane na onim se asema wo ka wo se mpanifo bi afrene fans bi afrene e bi aburuchire ahemfo womo ewo baby patapa wo so aduro ena womo afrefre no ebi so kura so de MPs any ministers be ministers be mienu MPs be miensa eye ne nanfofo womo afre no say enyum no wonyan court na wo so de ko no kum chache amanfo say de wo ka no enim say de wo sika sa yese wo de wan ko na court no na amanfo nim so de beko na a hype pina na wope ebisa patapa so ka say let's go to court na won seme kubo ho no enko so de ba bonten omo te se ga court na enka onwom no kura asore ni nkebegu asema mo kai no na menim se kum chacha ensema patapa ni producer kan yenti no ene se wadwane afiri hu se wafa hin o menim eno akotena kan mu na ene e behwe ena chokro do ena ensem was it say the ma bi person mo repu no kum chacha no was it ma bi person wo mo repu no wa hwe was it ma bi said this and the pictures bi na wo mo nhwehwe wo mo nhwe dross wo mo nhwehwe e na wo se kum chacha brabedi bedi wa hwe na wo yue ya we are patapa's girlfriends patapa was it ma be serving patapa ma be serving e be de obunyira asem we na de nti e pese wo ye gu anim ase ne se waso de patapa be court nti ye pese ye gu anim ase wa hwe e kontompo we o de phone cheche ofi aduma ai go fihwe emie mfa ko no obi a hwe kontompo we na pastor kura no se wo so obi a send o naked pictures a wani hu ya de be na wo so ye wo so delete immediately ekuta na 1 minute bia na wo hwe ekuta 2 minutes bia na wo hwe prophet Proka hu ye no de be na wo ye ekuta 1 minute bia na wa hwe kakra na ja sa hwe obutum na ba bie wa no ma wo ma send me naked pictures wo msi me medi no wa hwe kakra na wa sa ja hwe obutum wo de hwe a wo hwe de be na wo ye firimu adofo no mo wi ase de ensem bia e koso no e was o ma ensem bi sia na watwa de bia tare ho na wo so wo de asua bibia firimu na sade nipa dasani timi kansam no enye sa na nsam no esitie na no bia nim se de prophet kum chacha e kai de enka patapa wode ni kugina asem de bia no wo ba bonte a kirei asem wo baka ye ne se enye patapa u no de ni kokoto na eye nwom wanko na no ade asa achen ya wo se amanfo power chew se jai na amanfo power chew se jai wa hwa asem we adofo no wa ti asem we bi na fa bi ye nsam fa bi toto ho eje se ade ne de se sebe ye kan ho asema ya na ebinum wo nchen ya bomo enti ase Professor Abagana Professor Ohineba was it don't mind him, he's just using Kofi TV to gain his lost popularity asema minya Richard Ede Ohineba do Ede atujado Professor no asema Abagana bia no na mo de mo ho akotare ho na ade bia dipa beye no na mo de mo ho akweden akotare ho se be ya mo bagidin se patapa wati biasi ne nyoma wode bai kum chacha na wugina be kuma na wugina nifa wo bo nyom no obaje busi afiri ho oba ho be ka kire o se mani bibi na wo fa nso so nko produce no nyom abranti abre ede ne nyoma ba bonten e wo mu se asa no Ebia wode ne nya adwene ebinom ebu omopa wene nye ho. Nga wo preach no na watu Ghana for say mo amubu mo pa too much na de munyai. Mo amukofo for electric post no munyai. Mo amusori a bujejira car so sa no munyai. Na wontimi emfa wo bi nwom emetare wa woni padua ho empedi nche sa. As I say, what Jana Numa Chegana Manina say, what the Patapan one na ekojina court. Ave uwie ya osaba bonte say, won yam franco court. Na nasem ne say, ai enwom no eye nwoma ya bronsam nwom eye nwoma enye sei nipa nanso amanfo atunufo na se say the spiritual injection ato so na wakoto seed ni bi ena wa bompa ye wode amanya wa ye nsenkyere ne agu seed ni so bi wa hwasem we adofo mo ne niam bi ho a wonte ase o wonte ase I don't understand wonte ase asofo no a wo maba no eniam bi a wo samo ye ne se mo preach salvation na se say ade bia na mo de mo ho akotare ho Ghana ade bia be mani page din bia na mo de mo ho akotare ho mo si o prophet wan wona prophet bia we ye prophet wan ade bia be ba Ghana bia wonim hu bi. So be da kura na oda no so da ya muni ma de kura ma no so da ye. So be di kura na aduane ni twi na muni ma de kura. So be wo drive kura na park the car sin chen a prophet no o muni ma asem ti o park car di sin chen. Aden ade bia na mo de mo ho abebata ho. Se wo hu de eko. Anim guase atro do na ebe. Eni ti se wa ko fa pictures bi e de good phone so say e man na send o ma 7 asende o say batapa anwom na wo de kokoto no wa nya ya brabedi ne jai o ma bi o de asem na kofa e chese ade a mo ye ade a wo ye no wonim kwan a wo fa so adwane afiri mu ti se wadwane na virgin pastor so firi here kum church adwane afiri ho no virgin pastor so firi here wono so aba abonten ne sema wo kan se patapa wanko na nwom no eya bronsam nyom na se de sitie no bronsam pa na wabehye patapa wode wabehye nwom no mu na odi se nipa virgin pastor wo sorry a wo kan sama na nsen wo ko tete radio so wo chidi nkakra no obi aka cho sa wo de niam a wo ye bronsam sem wo sorry ya wo so as the friend saying de nchira obo ase captain na amanfo bo no eku no eya bronsam sem te wo ko na wakoye empire bo ho utumika wo ko ade bia besi Ghana bia no asofo na mo de mo akobata ho se eya mo na munim ade kure baaye na bibia na asofo no mo na munim emra so se e wo so mo kan no kure kire Ghana man emra so se e wo so mo ma no kure ko a edim e wo makwan mu na virgin pastor wa ba abontia won de wakotu bible nyina se amanfo ne abo ebeda amanfo ni nua ebeda enu nti wanko na nwom no amanfo ko tare nua ho buo mu sisima nti eye ade bi ha adwen ebinom ne mo abo no makota no mu buo mu sisim enu nti enu so ya ade ha adwen na ni nyina ne se wo mo they said the mo pri nyina ne se enka be ya nka nwom no gra ya manding free the system no they say kum chacha was all the spiritual injection atutu enti nyom ne yentwe 1 month yentibiem virgin pastor so aba say enyom ne ye bonne papa na spiritually filled song na benim enyom e wo wiase bebirebe amanfo timi bo nyom etimi bo sabi wo ba ne obema din wo bo no naked no wo bo no obudina no eka yenka ho hwe wo de na no body no obi anka ho hwe obi timi bo nyom wo ade da din obi anka hwe now where the Lewis vocals rhythm no wo mo bibia din wadofo no you see you hear wo mo bibia din na dia wo ye ne se wo bo no nyom e na amanfo esa won kan kire wo se asane ko bu sisim but apase won kan kire wo se ko ne ko bu sisim se and at the same time won kan kire wo se bom woni nwia nkoda ana se woni edunsini enkoda won de nasema wo kan nyina ne se wabo no nwom na ne nwom na wabo no de nwom no upese ode sa utimi de sa Jacob Menzo see there, not real pastors, they are all hungry. That's Richard Reinhard or Hineba Ado. Was it, bro? Good, God bless you. You are true and enlightened journalist. Thank you very much, my bro. Asam no. I don't know. A binman for quite biswa. One more omo tire omo ye nyina ne se kwan ye befa so a. Omo din be ba bonten. Kwan ye befa so nipa be bo omo din. Kwan ye befa so omo be ye popular. Eno nko an omo pe. Kwan ye befa so a omo e be ye popular. Say be bo omo din say hey, Mr. Prophet we, me na me wa ha me na me wa. Na ka virgin pastor kwa wan ni mo. Vet tie din esa da so virgin pastor. Wan ni mo. Wasore ne ben, wasore ne wan. Wasore ne de ese he. Wan ne Oden was pastor. Wan ne Oden o ko asore tete ye wo he. Ghana no ya manya ma bi regulations bi ani ho. Obi asore na was where pastor. Obi asore china was where pastor. No mo ke kansem e de ye de dada ni pe de je musika di. Ade bi e wo wiase bia no na mo de mo ho abata ho. Wo ma hu se de abade se wo de ho ben celebrate sipe. Wo bo mo din a na wo so agidin. Na nsan ya wo sofo bi ba abonten se celebrities no December 2017 bebere ento omo. Na waka na se ya bodin wo sofo bi se eno ne se wo mo ye emo kwan ye befa so ombaje dinti asem bi e bebe national issue no awiase obi e ka ho asem no na omo de omo dia bebata ho ade bi e bebe ye national issue na omo de omo dia kobata ho na yenim se obi abone nyom a watena wiase abone nyom wa bere wiase wonne ne maame bra o mabre wo se ne maame insensika e na wode ye ne nyom no ho nyoma Nyankopon aboa no enyum Ghana fo agye atum anye promotion bia o Ghana fo agye atum o pejan kakra ebi no ma sorry de den e wo no ho ebi no ma sorry de den e wo ho se wo mo no de bibi enkona no wo mo no de onidi na wo de obedidi na ono de wo ma ne nidi ebi no ma sorry na nsema hodo bebre e na omoka wo bi o se nidi no kra esen Nidin me bacho di mean to me pronouncing here na GH ne de metimi aka. Also you don't know what you are talking about. You are fake itself. Thank you very much for your message. You can express yourself. And it's who are winning their walk afa hono can also de niente. And nibre honhom shisha man for hono. And na ya ne ha adwen. Aho ya nipa se wo koso a na ye binom ya. When you are progressing, then people will start. Anytime somebody is progressing, then they will be starting to working against the person in one way or the other, creating certain things just to tarnish the person's image or creating certain things that to bring the persons down. So if you know, say they are say, will be aboninum, but a pa bre wa aboninum, wa boninum. We are say nipa bre we are say. Nipa sofa wiase na obi abre wa bonenum hwe ne ma me hwe koma wo wiase e maburu nya nnuane kora ne nam sika ni ombotom ebi ne mo ho a wo masetre ma ye basa eniema nkoyie na Nyankopon aboa no na eniema akoyie e de amana enwuma oboyi won ka bibia ntia won ka hwe ntia won nya hwe ntia so awza na nsoso Ebinuma Shase Obi say Lamte, let's discuss issues of development. Enough with Patapa, he's already a star. Alright. Yadawase also contribution, Yadawase. Lamte contribution very well. Meaning issues of development. Number one, Sebeya Ubenya Jumayan Meboa. Number two, Sebeya Wabra Bobokoye. So you say Lamte, Opese development about Wabrabum. O person kan ko ba wabrabom na wa wan kasa wati me create bibi a wo de ba aba wabraba akoso nya binim won chen na omo sori se wa de a wo ye no omo be ko atia is it development or not development e ya de a wo an ka be ye wo de wo nua ne patapa e na ka wa bre wo de nyoma ba wiase wo bre na busuyanfo ne maame ne papa hwe bre a wo mo bre wo wiase se be ya bibi be ko ma no na wo bi asori kutia wo mo a woni beje And today the development ma a development ma patapa. If we say one so no, he wants to develop. Say the city no, he wants to develop. I said the city no beboa. And it say the area say corner say wo ho a. Ade bia ye de ye wa enya wo de no. Emfa nya wo yonko. If it were to be you, say wo nankasa ade we what modern na wa bre de obedi kura ye de ama. De obehye aye de ama. Na wa sofa ade obedi kura no nibi. Obedi kura Ghana e mabunu youth a omo pese omo ware kura omo nyesika nya omo yede ho ade. Sikasama ye de ama omo. Enyuma ben na wo man no nipa nya nyuma anye ebinum abotom kura awia na ewe. Wo even omo di politicians e chikura no be enra omo na eka se omo fra politicians kura omo mfa if you say omo say nyuma omo beka chop so omo pe nyuma ye ntino omo fra omo mfa na obi abre osori ade obedi kura ye den wa bre wiase a wo baaye na de obehye kura ye den ne ma mehwe patapa ma me otonsa wonsa ensa no nyese bia ba akese o ensa no ton enya ba akese ensa no ton na ensa na woton no so eno no sansan ketenkete eno na patapa wode bididi eno abi na ode koton ode produce no nyom no ansa na wonya girlfriend ama na oboa no na wasofo o mamaje obosi amfiri ho o mamaje ohwe amfiri ho o mamaje usika bia o sori ya because of enyum na gidi ntino o pe kwan a o be bre enyum na se se kum chacha se wakoto enyum ni bi wa ti asem bi wo sofo wakoto CD ni bi ena odi CD na beto ne dem ena wa bomba ya kanche egu CD na so se obi antonyum ni bi na nyum no enim wa se firi busumi ye ko wa hwe wakoto bi ena wo bomba ya egu so se enyum no ensei enyum no enim wa se na obi abonyum no. Just I don't know how to describe it. Mubienti asema minua virgin pastor wode tudwa. Na virgin pastor na sema se wode atudwa no. Mama yentie na ye firi ho a ye beba kum chacha so asema wode atudwa. Na afi ya hensem ni nyina. Edianko ne go tie virgin pastor asema se wode atudwa afa patapa ne nyom wanko na eno ho. Ya te se mbi ene nam oman mu. Enyo minister te se ewa. Na obi dimrika ko tale dan. Mo bi dimrika ko tale ebia ho. Until you, oh, bit him recount for poor, bit him recount for fridge, or bit him recount for set, table I say. Nah, your bomb pie, your own concon, and your pocket say, or man penny, and MC, or more for an NC, not anyway, young bandit, not say, Okay. And you say patapa say abandon your nivia. And you say Yankupon yi actually say President Nana to Danko Akufo-Addo. And the Ghana mpanifo womon kamum. Na patapa nyom wan corner no womo embande. Virgin pastor na dia semi etudwa. Wo say Nyankopon yi actually no erisa no mo bompaye. Say Nyankopon yi kire wa bereben. Na ye wia na ye anajo. Nyankopon yi actually na Nyankopon shatare ben. Unim Nyankopon nanim. Se nanim ya kala ben se ya kala ben. So adie bia jesen ka o kan se Nyankopon yi actually na Nyankopon na aba na wahu se di obesi aye no. Adie bia na mo de Nyankopon akobata ho. Asem bia na mo de Nyankopon akobata ho. Ba bia duru nke bia ka kire ne se otu amanfo fo se adofo no enyum no edie nipa de onu so bedidi enti na obo na enyum no nyesa na mo asa mo se nyum na esa no enyesa na patapa pa kire patapa de se wan kona ba bia kona wo bia utimi ejina ho utimi kura jawa na wa yuti se ni nyina ya wan kona utimi jina ho ye oni padua se eye wan kona ba hye ba bi na emu sisimu na watu Ghana fofo no wakasa kire wo man no adofo no so won se de sitie no ba nye se wo sorry na enyum baako na ma hye mo de mo fasting nyina akogo nyum baako enam se enyum na gidinti enam se Ghana fo age atum ni nti se wo prophet unia de patapa ena nka ne nyum agidin sei ena nka wo ko na ke o patapa ni nua kra ne prophet your friend say pastor virgin pastor nka nya wo de wabusa sa ne ma me ne papa de o mbedi kra ne say ni sitie wabusa say ekwan be no mo fa so a wo motena se wabusa o musai ekwan ya ofa so de nyom ne bai kra musai de obo ani sikase mu musai o se Nyankopon se yemba nde nyom no Ghana yemma nde Nyankopon ka kire wo ade bia Nyankopon ka kire mu Nyankopon ka kire mu na patapa enyum ni wiase no na bone ni Ghana na omo bo adwama ya sofo na wo mo sori amanfo yere nom na wo mo ne omo dade ni Ghana asofo mo preach nyame asem amanfo yere nom na mo ne omo da ni Ghana oh niema bi wo ho a koso a mo fa niema bi mo obi Thailand anaso obi career no mo mpekwan bi mre na sesa enti etwama na patapa akotena fie na o sorry ababa na aduane adi ana ababa na tare ahye na hwese de nipa setena si ayede wo man Ghana amanfo mabunu de ombedi kura ayeden de ombehye kura ayeden ebinom niema nkoye wo makwan mu na abrante wo no a creativity wa creative ade de aba ne wani nyomi wese wo mu no there is no profane where obi kura bonyom ebo ade ani din ankasa obo be mama hold ni wo bo ba so ne ba ni din but we wo mo bibia din traffic light so red engine so red yellow get red so eye bone acheso unu asema nipa ka efa hom kum chacha wajwo numa me de kokoto na nyom no enyom no net say ebinim wan yo musisim enra woni Kofi Adoma wan woni kasai anajo power if say na dim go ase na ya adoso na woni ne kasa anajo obi ada no woni ne kasai muti asem akum chacha ekan na kum chacha kan sema wudo bebre me de ho bremo mutie ne sema enra woni Kofi Adoma womoni wo mkasai no enra sema wodi tudwa na wo kan sema bebre na no na bi no buza se se die dia ba asem they say they after the wudwane free home kum chacha say e ma no ebi ma sha say person mu repu no na repu mu repu ni nyina ne say ai wo mo di videos wo mo di pictures bi abre na wo mo nhwehwe naked na wo mo di abre no na adofonom eni nyina ne say ma ne say say patapa enyom na oso de kokoto no wo enyaya ene wo mo peso mugu nanim ase ene nti patapa enyom no wo jai ho nyamfa ne kokoto na wakoto nyom ne bi ena wa bompa ye aguso enti na wo twe be abosum ye wo ye nim de obi ani okro beto nyom ne bi wa she prophet adofo no enyema bi koso a mama ye nyina ne yenkasa na prophets na o ma sha ase a o mu twam kontompo o my Ghana mu mu sia no kwan we woni Kofi Adoma wonwani ne kasa ya muntie
e be kan mo no na mafa de me fans ne be kan mo se enyum de kura be kaya me ba ha ya me tike mo nsa na me ne obi kura kasa e fura buruchele a o kasa o ye me big fans pa na minyai so I say ena ahemfo akase bebre on se patapa no free road do ahemfo akase bebre ai wo area ho infantile life ho bebra afreme apamachaw bebra afreme apamachaw ama titiri pa ahemfo akase eni abamu empanifo akase ena afreme apamachaw e dey apologize ama prophet kumchacha say prophet Yesu Kristo kora be wiase no the preacher was in your waso no wontie the prophet court no jaya on kan ya no say mamu empanifo a ministers be mienu me won hwe wo social media ena MP fo be 3 a won pema sempa hwe wo social media eni ahemfo akese ena afro prophet kumchacha say minyai court no so I say by mafa wonam de no sunsun mo kora no me the court injunction atoso enti anyuma na nkwana ni mu da spiritual no me the court injunction atoso spiritual yeah se bibia na ye wo honam ni yotumi ye wo honam de on say prophet kumchacha me fans doso enti won se me nya ya na ebi enya me fans ni nyina but ebi se me nya ba me pa futuo me ye bibia na obi tu me foa me fa that why you Kofi Adoma when I like you because I told them me to me can say me chalo e tufo e wa adwuma wo ye mu no wafa enti me pe obi a sabe ope futu nyankopon kro te soro no Mose tu ne fo e ma ne fai enti ni pade ya ye tufo ano wafa nyankopon tu Mose fo Mose tu nyankopon yeah sana wo nyankopon ko destroy enkrofo so ada say na wo Mose ka chen se wo njai e na wo jai so ada say enti nya me kora no Moses etu ne fo so ada say o kasa kire no but yemra dey nobody atata wo e wo phone so do on the atata me dey on say phone no eni ka tie fo be hwa we need dey intimi show because the way tie no ko yi kan wasem on say me cameras na don't pick the exact way no na on am pick ya e be ya dey na wo be hu the was on the Palestine obi a program na ofre e wi asen so hwe Kofi we na aka yi dafo so that say enti no say ne e was on Kofi prophet kumchacha mo ka bi say see is they can living yam fancha na go dey kan someone wo dey tata wo dey the top of my oh who say Kofi she say nkoyi emma pa ye ma na sabi nyansa sabi ye de wo eni nyame so de che so ada say nyansa ye de wo ye de che enti me no sabi se me nua pa na emma ti se mo o nyina abo naked abofu naked emma sabe won baguo sabe abrofo mu de metumi ayiso vagina won nyina vagina guo emma be yes and obi a prophet kum chacha bedi oh you di onu mame enam si mi bedi den prophet kum chacha bedi vagina no prophet kum chacha bedi na honto bedi na honto neja ya nyoma ye bedi o eti akire no on de ba say won ye pata pa e girlfriends okay o say no won chere no me we ye di no serious so I say e man nyina boneket on wan hwe say on wan hwe ne on nufu on vaginas eguso on si mi medi na me prophet kum chacha say ma media that ni die bebre kwa on be shada the asema to me so Ghana ha are you serious e be shada that the Asama Tonaso. I will be threatening me. Hey, Yabakaraso. Namino, Menamo, Mino Bia. You know, I'm a gun how. My Yauda, dear, do more than so many years. A beer, I'm in so much jamming. A beer, I'm in so much say. A beer, I'm in. Now, so on the prison. A beer, I'm in. Now, so on the and a beer, I'm in. Now, so when you're flat. Memena on to me, Yamadiama prophet Kumchacha, and you supernatural. 1 John 4:4 said, near what you mono, or switching you, yes. That is a BBT. Made you a Timmy Muntimin Shrobia, so that's it. Being Sroshe, and Yano Yaya stop on a Winyamim. Prophet Kumchacha, I'm stop on. May you stop on Winyamim. Medium myself on who was an American. Myself on some of you, my years to buy 1 John 3:7-9. Or the Sabron Summer Juman to me, Prophet Kumchacha, Bron Summer Juman and Mensano. So I say, it is Sabi, Mimpani Fua, it to me for a Bemu, I am for men stop for the meantime. By spiritually, no, Kofiadoma, Messe, Minimsa way, you're quite spiritually, no, Messe Prophet Kumchacha, made this call, one call to the end of Edwin Chancia, soon, no. May the spiritual injunction at Tusu. Now, when you may buy last week in Mowaja, soldier for the police for Bayer, I hear him by your hand that I say, Uncle, ye abuse, Uncle, baby. Now, your bonum will say, one corner, better day, one corner, better day. Now, soldier for the police for pa. That to me, row your own, it will be your gun a quaint. And the Osama Church, as I say, for no woman, they are sound on Mose, woman numbers, was what for a woman. Men for a woman. I didn't tell men from say evidence. So I say, evidence, maybe young word you man. You be young word you man in the end, my air. Maybe your spiritual man, you. Woman, what you chat, woman, vaginas, the abat. I don't know by your goose. May your spiritual man, may say, near maybe your woman come public. May your spiritual man, Prophet Kumchacha. You bet to me a vampire with you, when you're for the bifra. Obey yellow for. So that's a mere spiritual mind. Some young for you know, and many are not bad, minimum or spiritual. It's a coffee, me Prophet Kumchacha, you room, and a gun. So that's a woman said, woman, they Tatawama, or Comadana, saying, what would they Tatamiama? So I say, Jamie Medi, me Medi, Namidia. Not. And you want to make Jan once a macan. So that's it. I have me dear, no Jan once a macan. I'm not coffee ready and you will go for without no more boy interview. If you have to go out the yellow. Share and some are born in Casa and Yomano, a canwa. Yes, so we be out as a so. That is an human spiritual, a canwa. No one could say table. I say, Coffee out the Marco and Countia. Canwa, Kabak, this time I could say table. I say, a canwa. No one could say freedom, and you may come will be an awful light pole, and you may come will be a freedom. No one say, wait, coffee, what is this? Ghana, about 2 young penny phone to Tunium, and the other boy to your funny idea. None of one corner, but a day, none quadanket and catted, a pet, it was school down on the Abontini table home. Shut, feed will be an animal, who your past sister be, while put naked, no to a singing everyone or Jonah, open a 20 cell quarter. For to him. It's coffee. Me Prophet Kumchacha, the young woman. Our Ghana has a boy, your team in Monosity about court on the me Prophet Kumchacha, Namin Nancy Quanso, and the percent. Many lawyer, I be Biani at the end. All
right, I don't want to miss my Kumchacha and some as say what they are to a jar and tomato tete, name some nibby pre, my Bobby Pre Achremo. What you can was it? Obet me grab on Payama when you're frat. Obet me up on Payam, Wabu good demo. And into one of the Yafani Niagara was of woe. He also for Timbob, Timbom Paye, Emma Bugu dem. What Timmy Bompaye, Emma when you frat. Boa Muntibi. Was so for so Bompayam will be a good dem. O Bompaye, am will be a near frat. So, shall some way, as I say, Wabba Babaka. Say, woman, this pictures in the brain. Say, Beya, will be jai pata pass him, no, not one capata pass him, Nimbi. I don't want some way. assembly. Me who said the missing kind of assembly. Say, one of the brew, say, be a bit assembly crowd, a soccer chat to a crowd, and Munchewi.
My young woman, you, Mamma, be a good to see in the abdomen, and my dear, you so. My just spiritual things here will see me so. When I'm a catcher, spiritual man and I'm one. Prophet Muchacha. Mamma, be a good to see in the Biaba, and my soon so many may be able to. The animal, and Koyan that. Would you pay me my 1 month and 2 months, and you want to be more Ghana? No passion. One take one of them crown that. Coffee. Medassa.
Or send them no wakoto see the nibi. And or the abatone them. And a walk can't you go so as a bear, but a panum nedia. Enko baby, Stella, how are you doing, Stella? Thank you very much. Jacob Mensa, those who believe in them, believe in them. We are not me bacham say we maintain a clear papa nti ye ma me na me ntime kenkan. Oh, e di adofo no me yen show. James Jacob tron ye ma me kakra na me ntime kenkan. Na yen hwe asami prophet kum chacha. Say was obetima bompaye ama woni afira na wugudem. Obetima bompaye ama wabubu na wugudem. Wasofu o bompaye ama obi na ni afira. Wasofu bo obi mpaye ama obi na ni wabubu aguwiase. Wabubu no sedem. Yesu Kristo ba wiase no. Obeti nipa ni anase obebọ mpaye se nipa ni mfira. Yesu Kristo ba wiase no. Obebọ mpaye obema abubuafo sori ana obebọ mpaye se abubuafo mu bungu dem. Nwa mo njeje. Yesu Kristo ba wiase no. Obebọ mpaye se obi ana ni afira dadaada kora no. Odi dasu odi ade fa na nipa na niteye. Obi a wabubugu ho no okase sorry nipa no sorry ye. Na Yesu Kristo kum chacha wo se Yesu na udi na chi no. Me wo se Yesu Kristo ka kire obi se wo bom pa ese bubugu dem. Nti mo njeje wakoto seed ni bi. E na odi abehye dem e na wakanche agusuwa se be ya seed ni boso me wahye be 1 month e ko obi akra ente patapa anwum wankọ na biem. Mo sanjeje was why spiritual man why stubborn. Munjanjeje. The West now will use you and more Munjaje West. Oh, I know na ye kase we are say yet no. Oh, can Yankopon was a macansama, nipa benjin sacra. And yet me, to say the Yankopon to me, no one and Yankopon the mount. Obia and Yankopomba, more Mushami Musumi and Yankopomba. A woman say ye are the boy, ye for dear, now so bompire chair radia with you. Obia ye Yankopon ba Yankopon de bobia ba wiase na maklemu se monkwa na mo ye Yankopon je se monkwa na Yankopon de power na be che momonsem na Yankopon fa power e ma pastor se bompa ye manipa mu bungu dem Yankopon won kasa de ne nkyerɛw on kan kyerɛw se bompa ye manipa e mu bungu dem saa so na Yankopon won kan kyerɛw se bompa ye manipa ni mfra onkwa na wo suggest se Yankopon se bompaye na nipa obetuma bompaye ama nipa ni afra asema wakan kura yi eno nkwa e kire bibia kire na dwuma wo ye no e kire se de ono so osi ye na dwuma monjeje asofo atrofo difo no atrofo adifo no we ni senkyerani pefe na wasofo se betima bompaye ama wani afra wahwe enka baabi aduru ne baabi a ka wo bompa yese ana wutu nipa fo se wo mon sakra no munya daache nkwaje repent and seek the kingdom of God but not to pray to turn people's eye to turn people into blindness or not to pray to turn people into cripple nya no na yepe na me wu baabi se won kwa de moklemu obi na abo no nwom na wo so de kokoto Ghana for ye din say okay o de kokoto afa kom ye nhwe amanfo mi a wo ma no se fa asem ne kokoto enam popularity ammo mo ba se mo gidin hype na ye body kum chacha nti o de kokoto na ya body a wiase nyina body awi a se de oba wiase a wasa change wa no se de bi asem ne kura no wunya mfa kokoto na kwa bunya mfa kokoto no kra no what my reasons bebre say asem say ntino bunya mfa kokoto na mpanifo bi afrew empeniphobia frel. Empeniphobia frel. Afro mo frel no, wo mo power chow. Say, asem no, jai maninka. Empeniphobia frel, say jai maninka. Now, what jai manaka na spiritual no, or the spiritual injection at so. Na nipa obia frel say jai maninka. And yet, they now was with the spiritual injection at so. Mommy analyzing some year. When you about Mary, I do too much join me from Rhode Island. Yet, Rhode Island phone in Mary. When I say be a tumpon, come on, much of my share, no money, I'm so any biashe. Yan shen some year. And then made that Fred, and I'm a back as somebody 1 corner cocoa. And then me come church and I'll say, or the 1 corner air cocoa. Now, normally ye jamamonium. And a man for the leverage rhythm, the vocals, ne one no. Dear Ben, the tresse, a year a jamamo. Was there be a son a man for son? No, but a papa about this, I am upon a born, but one country a man for say, or Mukobu Musisim. And on country will be a song called Talipo, and on country will be a song called Castle. Now, no crown of our video crania then, am I? I feel on the home video, Ebeba. And what church is on Obra, what brave yassi, Nema me tonsa. Nema me to, Nema me sesi can be. And now with me a day a year, no honka crankakra. Ne papa yen a carpenter, Juma, 50 or more. Nanyakopo Amboa Amanyumi was over 70, but I could pay peja. Nyankopo Amboa Manumi peja. A woman's son, a binomosano. A beer when in Yamo binum chelomusi bo musisi or mopano, and yet, and one is number 2 for say. I no. Said the binum de nomine sano, Munyaina, my home education. Come on. But will be a brother in your body. No more sorry, I saw for beer. Nobody would dear quatare home. Say, Musumbaji Dindia, and Yana Quanson. Now, wash, cum chacha, and Guasias, say, Abbey. Walk of us a video with pictures, say, free with the pictures be the ewo phone soon. I did say. A man has sent you naked pictures. It is your moonina, or mono for your man in a day say. So when Yanko Patapa also the Neko Quartana, I ye be good and massy. Now ye a throwaway, quantum powy. Yet they said there was be any the whole, or be any dear Cosso. What makes us be afraid of damage control? Oh dear control. Oh, dear, yes, dear. So, ya dear. That's only so ya de no quality road that won't slow their way. What's over the cockot? Obi Ghana for you. I'm a 4 tower if I go court. Now, what she need near castle, Uja for Johnny, won't me fast and never court. Say, what's about to come, what about say, and maybe person will repu. Now, man, the pictures, our woman nakedness, or my dear bro. Now, the pictures and about was awful, or phone so. Any and I made the pictures by. So man the pictures in the brother will phone so. Or suffer who can put pictures in the phone so. And that's what the phone says. I mean, no, that's what the phone says. Yeah. Who can put pictures 2 minutes be no way yashe. Why look, or banda baba na dear munine. Next, or the way niche. And goes off for the Encadia and Yano, who we are not going to delete it. Say evidence. And now say wo one she ye bia wo ni ma pesa wo yenti no wo say wo keep for evidence. So enti ahomachi bia no asore na wa hwe kakra an wa hwe bo ba ni hu nyina to different girls serving. And now ma send dia bere wo na wo sore na wa hwe oba we die wa hwe oba we die wa hwe oba e nya adwama bo na wo de wo bo me busamo say the Bible no ne nyina kasa nya adwama mo Bible mu Nyankopon Yesu Kristo me ya nya de pefe say wo hwe obi yere kura na wa hwe ne ye. Now, Concordo, and as a baby, now we're shaking on one shady now Concorda. What bird am I, yes, sir? Now, we also for now, mass and do naked pictures in the naked Nema 2 minutes be an hour, 3 minutes be an hour, Ned so, a wolf was all the own boy, Jamai. Engineer, my dear, I don't know. And we are saying, Jenny Papa couldn't be blue, we are sealed. Jenny Papa couldn't name I can kind near Trotro. It is a Yakupo picture. So, was oh, Yakupo, Yakupo picture. For Nyankopon adwuma no eye de opesa woye ba metrase e meka madwawo num e meka se o obi ade a woye ye bone obi ade a woye bone ne wo sore ya wo so betima bompa ya manipa ni afra osofo me hu osofo bi o wo wiase a wo ko bompa ye amanipa ni afra da enka osofo de wo bompa ye manipa ni te na wo de wo ko twi wo ko panchi ni pa se nani emfra at the same time o ko panishi ni pase wo mu bungu ho o nko ka se wo bubu agu mo na me bompa se Yesu di mu sori nante na wa sori anante o si ye te se de ebi no mabubugu baabi a gate bia no a Yesu Kristo duru a se Paul ne duru me de Bible me ni mu papa wo duru ka so won sori a sori gina won o ye ya oda o ko ka che sori mani nyina se hwe me duru ha hwe asomasi me butura sa yes am say Paul se Peter wo sori gina wa sori dem ye bo mu ni Bible wo mba kai me de se me hye de ni mu papa wo wasori jina okobo asori mani nyina ama ne ye enti we nyina ne ya sema ye de se yeso ya analyze asem no yeso ye court ne ha enti mo abubutie bi sesei mo analyze. Number 1, wasofo wose wa ye stubborn. Ye ka so be a stubborn fa kokko kind of dictionary. What is the meaning of stubborn? Wose wa ye stubborn. What is the meaning of stubborn? Enyeme na me kan yi wono na bi na no kai. Number 2, I can pray and turn your eyes. Why is no? Obetima bompai no why in friendly turn into blindness. Oba bompai mo in friendly. Mo analyze it. Obetima bompai am wo bubu agudem mo analyze it. Sa we nyina mo nyan ho hye na mo analyze it. Obetima bompai am wo bubu agudem mo hye. Wasofo o ko bompaye agi nipa akra mo babo nyakopon ho no o bompaye ma nipa agudem mo analyze it. Na woni wo so obi akwaji juju wanko na ede bonyom meboa wakwaji juju na ode bonyom at the same time so ko bo empaye ma obi abubu agudem obi ani afira wasa akoto seed ni bi akanchi aguso Ashe Ghana for nyina abo se wo mo hwe within 1 month kosi within 2 weeks kosi 1 month no wo be honyam na kro bia mobiem wakoka na Ghana for no eye wo ga wo na wo control Ghana for ana Ghana for nyina sunsum hye wonsa me tire na me bonyom na wo paje kum chacha oniama na akoye gu dem o seed no na akokanche gu so na betima affect me say me that friend me bonyom na ni say me bonyom na na so eniama bi oni pe ya Mama yem kando kurenchira manfo se sa trofo difo no wo mo niema na mo je no wo mo to no etesa patapa obianka bibianka se oye clean person obianka bibia se oye clean person on the adwum na wabo leverage na wonwum no mu no wanko na wan ne betima bie na no aka se enwum ne profane why so use a traffic light eso green you say we a profane no They a profanium. Attention, said the French a profanium. So, near me be on a coswa. And no bidding, Namobe pet, Namodia popular. Now, say what barbon ting a catcher of my gun and I say. And maybe now said this and do pictures. Or would your nakedness a browse? Brabidi. And almost say jai patapa asem na opesa wo ye no na wa nya ya ye begu anim ase na ye be say begu anim ase wonim se wodi no kware wo wiase a obi be de gu anim ase wonim se de wo ye tene a obi be de gu anim ase wo wie ya pictures na da so wo phone so say ya me no ka say kum chacha pictures na so wo ne phone so e da so wo phone so e na wo phone kakra bia 1 minute bia na wa hwe ene na me ma wo example say Baburu mu ye nimu papa nanso so yetimu nsem de ye nim ne se ye se so oba ekọ na wo hwe no kura na wo konkodo a wabo adwaman so oba sheki ne tu na wo hwe na wo konkodo kura wabo adwaman na oba send you naked pictures pastor enya oba ba ko na so send you e mama ako enson ne send brew enka wo ye na no wani boss wa naked na ko wakata wani na wa delete no akata wani no adult na nyankopon hu sampa de okan ne wo ye ba wo de naked pictures no wanya adaje ahwema no se bia wono fo se wa ahwe no fo hwe we de se de sitie wanya adaje ahwema yi wo mase wo mugina ase wanya adaje ahwema yi wo mo se de wo sitie nyina describe chireye chireye na wo hwe ye no wo de wanya feeling bia ma wo nipaduam wo hwe ma ni pictures no wo de wanya feelings bia ma wo nipaduam wo share many pictures no wo de wo nya bone enti de o say onye bone da no mfa bo mfa nto mo ba no o say asem na be de pefi o say asofo no mote ho a The emotion no and then the yen na yesua. Me nyin ni say asofo no bi. Oh, ebi a wo mo say wo mo ka Nyankopon asa wo be preach say obi enyare na wo mbungu dem na won sofa. Okoka obeyi quotation say Radic Yesu Christo can say in John so be or can see obi. Okoka sa na obeka. Emre duru say sa na ema no. Adada ne nsema wadwane wadjima fa patapa ankokota na waka se medwane na mesrema amfa nche me kam de ne kokota no medwane. Na Ghana for mu say wadwane. That's all. Ba mfa ne ma bi bata ho. Yenhwe prophet virgin was a virgin prophet who say one so na sama walker. Was it no wo mo entwam na sabe ya bronsam nyom. Virgin prophet who say why me who said the missing cano. Buntie na sem no kan bi. All right, and a virgin pastor so on also prophet to say pastor one also na sema walk no. I don't know so much in 70 baby. Was about a panum no a good Ghana who fin a drama more as drama more a chance here we are no and yapata panum no the dear drama mobile reaction. Ghana a software one more sorry money a man for a year in the more than yetibi. Yetibi a software one more sorry almost source a man for a year no for no yetibi. Let me drink water. Sa water ya me no isuwe asofui kura nsuo no omotimi ton nsuo ema nsuo omoton nsuo de ma eno kura no yekodi akire nsuo they sell water wo be ko ane bo ketewa bi no nsuo ne bo yesen omotimi ton nsuo kese ema Ghana cities mo se patapa ejifia gu Ghana asase so wa hwe Washe enum ya wo boy ono ni pedua no enye ono ni nsem e wodwum no on kan kire wo se kobu pon sebe on kan kire wo se kobata dua ena on kan kire wo se kobata bo ne nwum ni video kra ma abonten Nasema woka nyina ne se enyom na odi aba abonten literacy mo ammo nyom na muntie se de be ne wo ma ye profane obi timi bonyom wo bonyom na obo ensem ni din maako eno kura ye ka se April prophet kum chache ye ka se wa mo obadin wa mo no physical mante ye ka se profane bon oba ne jabade wa mo no din physical ye ka se profane enu nti adofonom obi nka se asana amanfo sano eye papa. We are not saying that ebinum kwa ebinum faso sa ekwatare tara amanfo to no eno no enya papa. We all condemning that say obi yere ana obi no subre ne to no obi sa no enya nye sa na nwom no etie enu ntimo amo ye sa de no enu ne wo se mu chai sebe ya sebe obi nyamo nka mo ho nsem se ebia obi yere no obi abebutu to na wo bu ne pa no enu de ha adwen ena ebinum so mu po mu sisimu da bia bo so tare form no bu ne pa form no me hu emfaso bi e wo so emfaso bi ani se wo be tare form na obo pa emfaso bi ani so ebinum ko tare dua no bu mu pa emfaso bi ani so eno sa ne ma no ena wo se ye tufo se sebe enwom no eye wo da wo betimi asa na wo be sa ne different way. You can dance, but dance in a different way. But don't do this. And no, there was a twofold. We have to educate the public. Say, okay, and you know, pen, now so and chese kubu. And chese doesn't mean say you have to go and then you waste. You know, we hear say emphasis will be any so. And then chese ubako tari ubito. Now ubuno pa nyano na echere. And it's more yes adi and munyai. Futu papa. And chese nyom ne ba ubako jine duya biso. Na dua no wo sheke oto e wo dua no so anase wo bekwira ko gina ka anaso ba ko sham na bim ebi laundry na bi mako share yim sa ne ma no mfaso obi ani so eno na wo se butu amanfofo but ni so wo attach nyom ne say spiritual wo bi aba abonte sai alaji bi wa ba abonte say patapa ye ne ba eniti mo amota ke patapa no mo hwe mo ho yie na patapa nyom no alaji bi so aba patapa so ni mo alaji ni ba bia so posu din agea minim so ya alaji malam oye malam sorry say me use word alaji malam on so aba ai na patapa ne bana de na wo a wodim say de bi en kaseti aba patapa no ana de patapa se malam wodim mo ba bia anything your malam go and do your malam at your place wodim mo ba bia o ma ho maji aduro o ma ho maji juju enti kontompo amoka no munyai mama yenka no kware no se be ya nsem ni nyina no bibia to betwa na mama mo analysis ni nyina prophet virgin pastor identity from virgin pastor e din kwanya befa so the din beto din so a udin be kosuru nti no o the virgin at all na ma for virgin na tete radio so na e kamfo na virgin pastor na ne ma for gie chingie na wo radio so na e bomodin na ye no kwa na popularity se be ya mo benya kwanya dupu amanfo agi amanfo sika adi wo bompa ye nyankopon yi kire wa berebe baby adu ne baby e wo se mo bompa ye ma amanfo nyu agen sakra say salvation preach the word of God so that people be seeking the kingdom of heaven. Material wealth is nothing, miracles nothing. And no never so be any so baby adu ne baby e wo se wo bompa ye kire wo tu amanfo say be yo benya da kwanje. That's what we're looking for. Repent, for the kingdom of the Lord is at hand, so that you may inherit the kingdom of the Lord. That's how you have to be preaching. Then I'm sorry, now we claim nema ana mamo so I na glory mamo me so for me to my bompaya bo bupu agu fam. Asem we kura kum chacha aka no kura ka e was a Ghana fo nyina hu said na sorry say obe bompaya mo bie bupu agu ho. Obe my bompaya mo bie ni afra. Na we stubborn spiritual. Na manfo nimo. Oko bompa ona ade nipa ne ba wiase na wo kaza wo bompa ye ama nipa akọ yawo mu no ne papa mu no obi abone nyom se makọ bompa ye aguso se be ya nyom no obi anto me mama na awotwe ma bompa ye aguso se be ya enyom no obi a ento me mama na awotwe
mama obi akoto si ni bi abra me na ma dia ya de usunso no my just spiritual things here we see so me na me catch now spiritual man na mo prophet ku chacha mammo bia ko to si di ni bia ba enu ma yesu nso mo ni ma bia buso ti enu no en konya num da
Okay, so what? Why yes, spiritual near be aguso. Spiritual near my bay. What's up for dear? And got the way I say you pray to your Lord. Meboa, Nanyan coupon, iron century, Nino. Say, dear, one now, because we are spiritual near my a good seedy so. To spiritual near my bay and away. Moi, Monjaje. Spiritual near my bay, now we go obesity so. Oko said them spiritual near my bay, now we go obesity so. And can you say pioneer, Bombeboa? Ubom Pie Chew already, no already with you. Now there you do spiritual things on somebody's seed. Let me reserve my comment. Ebenezer, that's why you had done prophet one day, Sembia Tuja. Then somebody had to join you and say, was it my one no mano, Sebi? Or may never be a hard dream pa, not say no. A man or mumpe mema or mamma who do near small. Womupe mema, woman near mano as also. Now, no one sorry ba. Na sorry ba. Na sorry bow. Where you suffer. Wo bia kofa ne yere ya ya na be ma no wo susa wo hu se de sitie eya wan ko na nwom ne na ma obi kofa ne yere no mi busa wan ko na nwom ne na ma obi ko bo adwaman no mi busa like say wo system no mu dada muti asema Ebenezer da kwa yi adom wo de tudwa na afi ye mara so biem So, Reverend Ebenezer da kwa yi adom na ekan. Wo sofo ne yere sofo maame. Wono ena ne security. Ne security o ache se ne wo de ohwe ne fie baako ene no akọ wasa wo musire musa. Na eye wanko na nyom no ne ma asa de ne bae. Me busa. Enti se nipa bi wo hona di bibi wo nimu a ewo nimu. Enye nyom ene ma asa de ne ba. Hwe wo sofo yire o, wo sofo yire. And it is a prophet, a virgin pastor, because I and no major mamma. Ebini also for ye in one corner the major mamma by. Or your more money, mamma, ye, and a more ebe babonting, and yan no masadiano eba. I didn't hear for them. We are sitting Sarah do a shirawa, no shiraw. I would never born in him the India, or ma, one corner, the bra war bread and the patapan and the babonting. yedina yinim Nyankopon enim de nti o ma na gidin anyum bebre wo wiase nyum bebre wo wiase Nyankopon enim de nti o ma na gidin enu nti efutuo na oso de ma amanfo se ba bia aduro no wo mo sa wo mo susu mu omumu that's all omo susu mu omu ni padua no mu omo susu sheki omo ho na nyese mo bebre abrantie no ase ansa na mekokra no Lydia Force in the Sembia Tudja was a movie industry no so we are ba now person peja air in power Ghana now producers in Indian obi abese no oda and now was show no for ansa no wada I'll share BB I refer some of the actors and to say am movie actors no is o muntimi enkosoro Madam asesa join me in the daddy friend yakopon bo a ye besan ehia biem na de meka dwa to nyina ne say Prophet Kum Chacha say what dwane no antimi amfa batapa nkokota emfa asem nkoshe obi a say obi di naked pictures abere no mo threaten obi an threaten pictures no naked pictures I was so for any say wo phone so e was what deleting the dada if it's a wo the ma wo hwe no wo so wo increase near maybe e wo system no or different ma we body no different we body different na wo hwe ni nyina every morning nya papa me di that different makra mo yakobon boa ye besan ehia biem oni Nyankopon entina Jumadi transmitted live e wo the announcer newspaper so e wo Massachusetts United States of America and e wo da mo nyina asesa mo join name